Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix if Google Sheets stuck on loading. So if Google Sheets is stuck on the loading screen or won't open your spreadsheet, so here's how to fix it. So open your phone settings. Now scroll down and go to General. Then from here, go to iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down and look for Google Sheet and click on it. Now in here, you can delete the app or you can offload app. So click offload app again to confirm it. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So click reinstall app to place back your data and then wait for it to finish. Or you can also update your system. So open settings, then scroll down and go to general, then go to software update and install any available updates. So, using an outdated system or browser can cause compatibility problems. So, you can update your phone, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Safari to the latest version and try again. Next is to restart your device. So, restarting your computer or mobile device clears temporary system glitches that may affect browser performance. So, once done, open Google Sheet again and see if that solves the problem. And that's basically it. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.